Good evening, friends. I am Dr. Ashima Goyal from Parisa Skin Cosmetic and Laser Center. Today we are going to talk about forehead tan or forehead blackness. Many patients visit us with the darkness. Typically on the forehead there is a typical band, on the sides, sometimes on this cheekbones. It's very common. It's now seen more commonly in men. Many male patients visit us and they tell us ki doctor, I am suffering from it since many years. I have been doing so many things. I have been applying some lemon juice every day, some honey, some besan paste, something or the other home remedy I have been using. I have been to many people, but there has been no proper cure for it. So today we are going to talk about it. Somebody has specially requested for it on our Instagram page. So today we are going to talk. It is more commonly seen in men. There can be n number of reasons. So many patients come to the clinic and they tell us, doctor, we have undergone many procedures. It goes for the time being. Maybe it goes for say 2 months or so, and then it comes back with a vengeance. It doesn't go anyways 100%. But here we want to clarify, it can be treated 60 to 95% depending upon the cause. So treating the cause here is very, very important. If we are not treating the cause, no procedure is going to work for it. Maybe you do laser, you maybe do peels or whatever procedure you may do for it. So considering the causes first, there may be some vitamin deficiency, there may be some insulin resistance due to the severe dandruff or severe atopic dermatitis, then due to some hair color, then excessive sun exposure. Sometimes some skin conditions like LPP, lichen planus pigmentosus, and macular amyloidosis may be the cause for it. So lichen planus pigmentosus and macular amyloidosis, they may be the culprit, and we are thinking that it's just a band. So if we talk about the colors, hair color, sometimes they get absorbed gradually and slowly into the skin and lead to the dark pigmentation on the forehead and temples and the cheekbones. And then comes the insulin resistance. So investigation part is very important before you take up any procedure to treat forehead tanning. So we investigate the cause, we treat the cause with the medicinal treatment, and gradually when the inner cause is treated, then we opt for procedural treatment. That's how the treatments are successful. And it's not a overnight treatment. A gentleman came to me that after 15 days there is some very close family wedding. I have this very dark band of pigmentation. Doctor, can't you do some laser and make it vanish in 10 days? So I refused him totally. No, I can't treat it, because I need to get you investigated, treat the cause, then I will take up the procedures, and procedures are not done in one go. Suppose I am doing some procedure today, then at a gap of 3 to 4 weeks I will take up another procedure. Usually patients need 4 to 8 procedures at 1 month gap. So you can presume that it is roughly 6 to 8 months, 12 months treatment. It can sometimes take 12 months also, depending upon the severity of the condition we are treating. So many people ask that what is LPP? It looks like some bluish, purplish patches, blackish patches on the face. Sometimes it affects the neck, sometimes it affects the body as well. So proper diagnosis and proper treatment is very important. Then macular amyloidosis. There is a typical rippled pigmentation on the chest, upper arms, upper back. Then it starts coming on some people on the forehead as well. In such patients, we tell them to avoid few things, like they will not apply any sarso oil, then amla oil, some badam oil, or any perfumed oil. They will not use on the scalp, skin, anywhere on the body. We recommend them to use some hair color which is ammonia PPD peroxide free. They can get it recommended from their dermatologist. So that we have to rule out and remove all the culprits, then treat the inside cause, and then do procedural treatments. Then over a period of time you achieve very good results, and they stay also. The usual problem in forehead tan is people say, I got it treated from somewhere, they go but they come back. They don't stay. So to make them stay, we must treat the cause. I hope you like this video. Do share it. Keep following us for new videos and more updates. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.